Thank you for your interest in watching this video on our LEBLOND 22-inch by 77-inch engine lathe. Serial number 3F737, and it goes from 27 up to 1080 RPM, 10 horse, 220 or 440 volt, your choice. And we are saying it's far better than average condition, which means that it is possibly not as nice as some of the machines that we are accustomed to receiving, but it is in very good condition. And we'll look at the ways up close, and we'll listen to it run in the spindle speeds, and it still will make someone a very nice machine. Alright, let's look at it and the chucks that come with it, and then Frank will run it for us. Red chasing dial. It's kind of tight, so I'll just do the best I can. Okay, here's the ways. Comes with this 3-jaw, and then I'll show you a 4-jaw in just a moment. Does this steady rest in it? I'm not sure. I don't know. We're not sure if the steady rest fits, but if you call, I'll let you know. Okay, and then we have this 4-jaw.
Okay.
Alright.
Squeeze in here. Okay, we're at 38 RPM.
Okay. Sounds good.
204.
We can see that beating. Hey, I'm doing a video. Can I call you right back? Hardened. Woo! Whoa, how fast is that? How fast is that going? How fast was that?
1080.
Wow. So top speed. Very nice.
The belts were slipping a little bit.
If you have any questions or would like to come see it, please let us know. It's located 5 minutes from the Salt Lake International Airport in our warehouse. And our phone number here at Machinery Consultants is 801-531-9500. Thanks again.